Hey guys, what's going on? Todd here with RC Ohio. I got a real special unboxing for me. I'll open that in a minute. That's kind of boring, but a good friend of mine, Gorley from Steel City RC, did a very kind thing and sent me something. He's just an awesome friend. Him and I have been friends for quite a while. We met on YouTube. Great guy. I do recommend his channel on YouTube, Steel City RC. Highly recommended. He's always got great videos, and he's just really a super guy, a very, very kind person. So I'm going to keep this video short, but I just want to show you what he sent me. I know what it is. I haven't opened it yet. I was very, very surprised at this. Not that he's not kind, but this is kind of over the top. So, thank you, Gorley. Holy shit. And it's brand new. Brand freaking new. Mr. Gorley was kind enough to send me a fixture for the Axis rocket stand. Any of you guys that know about the Axis rocket stand, it's an excellent stand. But like any other stand, I guess you would ever have, you need a fixture for each specific model that you have. I do have two TLR 5B buggies, and I've never bought the fixture for the stand. Gorley knew that, and he, out of the kindness of his heart, shipped me this beautiful thing, this beautiful fixture for the stand. Look at all the holes in the bottom. It's specific to the 5B, so you're able to reach all the screws through there. Basically, it just clamps the chassis in there between these four corners by way of this tensioning knob here, and it goes on the stand like so. I will undock you guys and show you in a moment. I'm hoping, I don't know if I can, I bet you that I could probably get this to work with the MCD buggies as well. So let me show you what we got here. That's the fixture on the stand. Gorley, that's really over the top, and man, I really appreciate it. You're a great friend, buddy. Steel City RC, you guys, I'd recommend checking out his channel. Definitely give him a subscribe, give him some likes on his videos. Super guy, he deserves it. Alright, so the last little unboxing, I might as well do that. This is Gorley's channel, Steel City. This one's really not even worth doing because it's just boring, but it's sitting here, so I might as well do it real quick. And it's just a replacement pull start handle for any Taylor RC engine. Detroit Performance, Taylor RC, Steel City. Check this guy out. He's an awesome guy. Thank you so much again, Gorley. Happy New Year, you guys.